Hi, you're watching Ultimate Outdoors with Eddie Brochin. This week, pro staff member Larry Sizemore and I will be heading down to South Texas for some predator hunting. Then I'll be bringing you back here to the beautiful R&R Ranch here in the hill country of Texas for some extreme bow hunting action. So pull up a chair, it's time to ride. What's going on, man?
Well,
About ready?
ready to go.
All right.
Just backing her up.
All right, what all you got left?
Just my firearms and this little bit of gear to put in the cooler.
Let's check it out.
You have to declare your firearms when you, of course, you have to make sure they're empty. And you got these locks to lock up the bore and everything. Here we go.
All right, well, Larry, looks like you got everything ready to roll. I'm sorry you can't bow hunt with me this time around.
Yeah, I got a shoulder injury. I can't pull my bow back, so I'm going to go ahead and use the firearms this time.
It's all right, at least we salvaged the hunt, okay? So we'll do a little handgun action there for you, maybe shoot something with the long rifle. And it looks like I'll be the one doing the bow hunting this time around. So, all right, let's head out, man. Let's do it. All right, Larry, this is it, man. Well, all right, we just arrived here at the Laredo International Airport, and we'll be heading out to the ranch now. We've got about an hour and a half drive, so bear with us, and we'll get to the action soon, all right? All right, this is it. We are finally here, and we are out in the middle of nowhere, folks. And there's Troy right there, just now pulling up. Troy, how are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Good, man. We made it.
Yeah.
You weren't kidding. This is out here.
Oh, it is. It's way out here.
102 from right here, so should be good to go.
All right, let's go 55 clicks south.
Wow, that was incredible. We were on the paper there at 25 yards, and we moved out to 100 yards. First shot here was just the top of the wood here, and Ed gave me a couple more calculations. You know, I think it was 55 down and 12 to the right or something like that, but we got within 3 shots, got the bullseye with the 30-06 today. Because we flew in from the airport, and you know, they bang around your guns and stuff, and we wanted to make sure our guns were zeroed. And then he also, before my 30-06, he had the 44 Magnum out. We were just barely on the paper here. And within another 3 shots, he got with 1-inch grouping here with the 44. So he knows what he's doing with his firearms, so I'm glad he's an archer. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Alright, we're finally here. I get to go first. Ed let me go first. There he is. There's a coyote right there. Got him. Got him. He's down. You didn't see him? No. There he is.
Well, congratulations, Larry.
Thank you.
Beautiful South Texas coyote there. Well, folks, I got to be honest with you. I was running the camera there for Larry this morning. I don't think I got the shot on tape, but it happened so fast, and about a, what, 120-yard shot?
Yeah, 110, 120.
110, 120-yard shot, and the coyotes are very small down here, and they're running through this grass so fast. I didn't have a chance to get the shot on tape, but nonetheless, I'm glad we took some time to zero the gun yesterday. Looks like you made a really nice shot there.
Thanks for the help yesterday.
Yeah, and worked out
Appreciate
good.
it.
Worked out good. Well, after the hunt, we headed back to camp for some breakfast.
Awesome.
Hi, I'm Troy Reddick. This week, we're here at our beautiful South Texas ranch where we specialize in trophy whitetails and management hunts. We also offer trophy boar hunts, predator hunts, and quail hunts. So if you're interested in booking with us here at our rustic South Texas ranch, then look us up at rrexoticoutfitters.com.
Hope you're enjoying this week's show. Before we head to the R&R Ranch there in the hill country, you'll be joining us for a big feast right here at my sister Linda's house in Laredo, Texas. So let's get the rest of these ribs on the grill.
How do you like your rice?
Like, what do you mean?
Well, do you want cilantro and stuff in it, or just plain
I like cilantro in my rice.
cilantro and vegetables and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Does that sound good to you guys?
Sounds great.
Good. Not quite ready yet.
So I call my sister Linda up, right? We're on our way back from the ranch. I say, hey, Larry and I'd like to come over for dinner, and she says, okay, well, what would you like to have? I said, just something simple, Linda, keep it simple. But if anybody knows my sister, when it comes to food, there's no such thing as simple. I mean, just take a look at this spread. And we haven't even put the ribeyes on yet. Hey, it must be Carlos.
Hey! How you doing?
Hey, good to see you, man. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for this beautiful meal and the opportunity for all of us to be together, Father, family, and friends. And I ask that you bless the hands that prepared this meal, and in this case, that is all of us. So everybody, thank you for pitching in there. And here's a cheers to a successful hunt next weekend at the R&R Ranch. All right, everybody enjoy it.
All right, this meat looks good.
All right, well, dropped off Larry Sizemore at the airport there in Laredo this morning. He couldn't actually complete the whole journey this time around. About 3 or 4 days in the brush with me is about all he could handle there. So he's heading back home, and I'm headed to the R&R Ranch. I should be there in about 10 minutes, and I'll get ready, and hopefully I'll get a bow hunt in here this evening before it gets dark. All right. About time, man. 5 hours and 22 minutes, and we have arrived, and there is nobody at the gate. So therefore, it looks like we're gonna be here for a while. Have you ever seen a stop sign at a ranch before, like that, out in the middle of nowhere, and you gotta stop and look both? Well, too late. All right. After arriving, we found Veronica Reddick preparing for the hunt.
Well, we got here to the ranch a little later than expected, so I will be hunting tomorrow.
The following morning, Veronica was in position.
Well, we've been here for a couple hours and just haven't seen anything yet, so we're going to try a different location. We're going to go a little deeper into the ranch. Maybe we'll get some action then. We're going to see what this stand produces. Hopefully we'll get something big. It's really exciting. I love bow hunting. One of the reasons why I love it so much is it's every time I shoot an animal, I get the same feeling. It's just excitement, it's nervousness, it's butterflies. Love it. Thank you.
I can't believe that broadhead.
This is awesome.
I can't believe that's awesome. I'm going to that broadhead. I'm telling you right now.
Very impressed with that. Let's go see this animal. Oh, he's so nice. Oh, he's gorgeous. I love this broadhead. It flies true. It flies like a practice tip. Was a little nervous because it is only two-edged, two blade, and I'm a believer. I love it. Really confident now, only because, like I said, I do shoot a light poundage bow, and I got a gorgeous animal to prove it. Very excited.
You know, it's funny. She was a little worried about her shot, but this is just perfectly right on the shoulder. It passed through incredibly good. I found the arrow about 30, 40 yards past the animal where it was standing. Incredible.
Even though Larry Sizemore was unable to join us this time around, he hunted the R&R Ranch the year prior. He helped us out with our deer management program by harvesting a nice fallow doe. He wanted me to share that hunt with you. So let's take a quick look at that, and then it'll be my turn to hunt.
a good hit. It's a good hit. She's down. My first follow deer. Great. Whew, exciting. Oh. Oh. There she is. Right down this trail. Landowner asked us to take some does to get the numbers down, so I think I did my part, and I think we're gonna have some follow stakes tonight.
Quality deer management at any ranch is a must. But now let me show you what it was like to hunt for this guy right here. I've been hunting axis deer for most of my life, and I've never been able to harvest one with a bow. And of course, the usual spot and stalk approach was proving to be unsuccessful. So this time around, I chose a bait and ambush setup. If you're interested in these new camera arms, please log on to ultimateoutdoorstv.com. Guys, I just shot a tremendous trophy axis deer in velvet right here in the hill country. I put out a little bait. I climbed up in this tree, put out a little bait, you know. Climbed up in this oak tree here by myself. Had a bunch of sheep come in, and I'm not really interested in the sheep. But about a half an hour later, here come the target species, man, axis deer. If anything, the shot looked just a tiny bit low, but in all honesty, that's where I was aiming. It's a habit of mine to aim for the heart, and if they jump the string, it's right on the money. But this new Fredbear takedown is so fast, and I hit him with a Zwicky 135 grain, No Mercy broadhead, brand new out on the market. Let's go take a look. Come on. He's down. He's down. I remember earlier in the day, Troy telling me you could shoot an axis deer, and man, don't give me the green light on an axis. I was patient, and I waited and waited and waited for this big boy to arrive. Made a shot. It was a little bit low. I'm used to the animals kind of dropping, and I kind of anticipated him to drop into the shot, but he didn't. This new Fredbear is so fast that he didn't even have a chance to jump the string. But the new 135 grain No Mercy series Zwicky broadhead did the number on him. It was enough to clip the heart there, and it took him out in a matter of seconds. And I cannot say enough about this ranch, ladies and gentlemen. Tremendous trophy animals all over this ranch. And like I said before, back home it's 38, 39 degrees, still spitting rain, and here we are in April, and I'm still hunting. Look at that tremendous trophy right there with a bow. So if you're tired of the doldrums of winter and you want to get out and do a little hunting, look us up at rnrexoticoutfitters.com. Well, I'm sorry to say that that's it for this week. Be sure to stay tuned next week for another action-packed adventure of Ultimate Outdoors with Eddie Brochin, where I'll be sure to be afield or afloat somewhere out there enjoying the great outdoors.